Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need 3 essentials before you begin: a phone that supports Geo's 5G bands, an upgraded Geo 5G SIM, and an active unlimited 5G plan. Once you have those, insert the SIM, confirm your account shows 5G entitlement in My Geo, and install carrier updates if prompted. Make sure VO LTE and mobile data are on. This ensures the core signaling works. Once done, go into Network Settings to pick the preferred 5G mode, so the device will attempt a 5G attach immediately. Once your device is provisioned, set network to 5G or 5G auto in cellular settings and reboot to force a fresh registration. Then confirm the Geo APN values. If customized apps changed them, restore defaults, because incorrect APN can limit data. Disable Wi-Fi and battery saver. These can mask real 5G performance. Now run a speed test and observe the network indicator. If you see consistent high throughput and the 5G icon, your phone is using true 5G unlimited data as provisioned. To complete setup, double-check My Geo that your plan shows unlimited 5G and is active. Billing or provisioning gaps are the most common blockers. If you're not getting 5G, reset network settings and reboot. This clears stale profiles and forces reattach. If that fails, move to an open outdoor location and retest. Key troubleshooting tip: try the Geo SIM in a different compatible 5G phone. If it works there, the issue is device configuration. If not, contact Geo with your IMEI and account details for provisioning fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.